Okay, so today we got our Python in the mail. We ordered the 50-foot complete system. We have it hooked up right now to our sink. And if we follow the tubing, which you see all of our shoes on the board, the tubing, 50 feet might have been a little long on our part, but we wanted to make sure, rather have too much than not enough. You see my husband's feet and his hands and into the system. We got the 24-inch tube siphon, and we are currently finishing up the gravel siphoning part of it, and you can see in there all of the stuff that it's bringing up out of the gravel. We are going to do a pretty small water change today, maybe 20%. We're leaving everything in there. As far as, of course we're leaving the fish, but as far as all of our decorations and everything, we are leaving it all in there. We turned everything off first. All of our filters, the heater, the only thing we left on were our lights in the tank so that we were able to see. We also have the no spill, I guess hands-free. When we refill it, we put that on the end of the hose, and that hangs on the end, which here in just a minute I will show you that part in progress. Alright, hold on. So we have taken off the siphon and hooked up the no spill hook, and we're going to turn that on. Just a little white knob here. Alright, so we've got the water temperature at the right temperature, which is kind of warm, and we have closed that part, and we're taking it back to the tank, and we've already have this hooked up, and it is just refilling the tank right here in front of us. No more, I guess the advertising says no more buckets, but no more hose, no more any which way you do your water change. This just kind of sits here. And this is our first time using it, so I'm sure it'll get even easier, but as far as water changes go, man, highly recommend it. It is quite simple, and the fish looks like they're kind of digging the water flow. they're just playing. So we have a thumbs up for the Python no spill water changing system. So far we recommend it. We'll see. Alright, thank you. And now the water change is complete, and our fish are as active as ever. And we store the Python right there. Well, I mean, we just got it, so that's currently where we're storing it, so it doesn't look too bad. I don't know, we might move it somewhere else, but overall it was very quick and very easy. And I think it'll be even easier after this one, because it was our first time using it. So, thumbs up from us, from the fish family. Alright, thank you.